minute, lads. I've got a great idea.
This is the Self-Preservation Society. The Self-Preservation Society. Put on your almond blocks and daisy roots. Lash your MCD, play your whistling flute. Lots of la-di-das and coffees here. Look alive and get out again. Get your skates on, mate. Get your skates on.